Alright, here we are on the next job. Got my brother's 267B Caterpillar, one of his mini skid steers. Borrowing it from him / renting it. So, we do dirt work, but we do a little bit of dirt work, but the kind of dirt work we do, it's usually pond related. So this here was a pond, top of this hill. As you can see out over here, it's about a 4-acre pond, and that stand right there snapped off from that right there and drained the whole thing in about 20 minutes. So, and it's all rusted, it's old galvanized stuff. So the bottom of the pipe is rusted out. So what we're gonna do is completely replace that whole pipe. So going back with a 36-inch aluminum pipe, it's 100 feet starting from right there. Down to this right here. Down to that right there. It's 100 feet exactly. So what we're gonna do, dig this whole bank out right here, get that pipe out of there, put a new one in, pack it in, yada yada, all that good stuff. So clearing out an area over here where we're gonna put all of our dirt, and we're gonna have to clear some of it. Well, here we are, day 2 of the pipe replacement, repair thingy, whatever you want to call it. It's going pretty good. Haven't had any major issues yet. A lot of dirt. You can see our mountain is climbing over there. Oh Josh. So what they're doing, I'm just kind of loosening it up. They're just hauling it off, piling it, just moving it as fast as they can. I cut all this down from here to here with the excavator. Been bailing it over here for them. Finally made it through. I didn't think I was ever going to. But you can see there's a pipe going in. So still a lot of material to go, but we're getting there slowly but surely. The old E45 is doing a good job. Well, here it is all wrapped up. Got the riser stand in, and pipe and straw mat in, road patched back, all this done. We had a mountain of dirt here. Got it wrapped up. Took a lot longer than I thought. We ended up cleaning off the brush off this side over here, and then down that side too. Get all that out of there for them. So. What you think, Wyatt?
I like it.
You like it? Looks good? You want to say hey?
Hey.
Alright. Let's get out of here, boy.